How to apply USA visit visa from Canada for a truck driver. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a USA visit visa from Canada as a truck driver.
So to get started, the process starts by filling out the DS-160 form from the U.S. Department of State's website. Be sure to mention your occupation as a truck driver and select the appropriate visa type. After completing the form, print a confirmation page for your records. Next, you'll need to schedule an appointment at the nearest U.S. Embassy or consulate in Canada. The application process may take some time, so plan ahead and ensure you have enough time for processing. For the visa interview, you'll need to pay the visa application fee of $160 and gather required documents, including your passport, proof of employment, and pay stubs, and any relevant paperwork that shows your ties to Canada, such as your home address or family connections. During the interview, be ready to explain the purpose of your trip and your work schedule as a truck driver. You may also need to provide details on your planned travel to the US. If your visa is approved, you'll receive instructions on when and how to pick up your passport. And that's how you apply for a USA visit visa from Canada as a truck driver.